Hi dear, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get more interesting beauty tips like this. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to get pink lips using ingredients from home. With that said, let's begin. Tip number 1. Lip scrub. The lips may appear dull and scratchy due to dry skin that can be removed with a gentle exfoliation. Additionally, it might increase blood flow, giving lips a temporary pink tint. Lip scrubs are widely available both offline and online. As an alternative, you can make your own by combining salt or sugar with an oil like coconut or sweet almond oil. Applying a lip scrub. Apply the scrub on your lips gently. After rinsing, wipe the lips dry. Use lip balm. Tip number 2. Lip massage. The lips' blood circulation may be increased by massage, giving them a pinker appearance. One time each day, you should gently massage your lips with a food-grade oil, like coconut oil, before rinsing them off. As an alternative, you can use the oil as a moisturizing therapy while leaving it on overnight. Tip number 3. Lip masks. Applying a product to the lips, letting it sit for a predetermined amount of time, and then washing it off are treatments known as lip masks. Making a lip mask using turmeric. Combine coconut oil with turmeric powder. Apply to the lips, then let sit for 15 minutes. After cleansing, wipe the lips dry. You should be noted that turmeric might temporarily discolor the skin around the lips, so you should be careful while applying it on the lips. Thanks for watching this video. If you got any value from this video so far, please give it a thumb up and leave a comment in the comment section below. To get more beauty tips like this, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.